As the first rays of sunlight illuminate the ancient landscape, a sense of wonder and anticipation fills the air. The Garden of Eden, shrouded in legend and mystery, has captivated human imagination for millennia. Its story, woven into the fabric of countless cultures, speaks to our deepest longing for a lost paradise. Throughout history, explorers, scholars, and dreamers alike have sought to uncover its secrets. The enduring allure of Eden invites us to reflect on the origins of humanity and the timeless quest for a perfect world. The book of Genesis describes a lush and mysterious garden known as Eden, said to be nourished by a river that splits into 4 distinct branches. These rivers, Pishon, Gihon, Tigris, and Euphrates, hold a special place in the narrative, offering tantalizing hints about Eden's possible whereabouts. While the Tigris and Euphrates are well-known rivers in the Middle East, the identities of Pishon and Gihon remain subjects of debate among scholars. Over centuries, explorers and theologians have searched for these rivers, hoping to unlock the secrets of Eden's true location. The enduring mystery of these waterways continues to inspire curiosity and speculation, bridging ancient texts with modern geographical inquiry. The ancient map reveals 4 mighty rivers flowing outward from a central point, a motif deeply rooted in both religious tradition and historical inquiry. For centuries, these rivers have served as a symbolic compass, guiding the faithful and inspiring countless journeys of discovery. Their depiction on ancient maps reflects a belief in a divinely ordered world, where geography and spirituality intertwine. In the Middle East, these rivers are more than just waterways. They are threads connecting sacred narratives and archaeological pursuits. Scholars and explorers alike have traced their courses, seeking to unlock the mysteries of the past. Through these rivers, the landscape itself becomes a testament to enduring faith and the human quest for understanding. The Mesopotamian hypothesis centers on the fertile plains between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, located in present-day Iraq. This region, often referred to as the cradle of civilization, is where many scholars propose the biblical Garden of Eden may have once existed. The area's rich soil and abundant water sources supported some of the earliest known human settlements. Ancient texts and archaeological findings from Mesopotamia provide intriguing clues that align with descriptions of Eden. The convergence of these great rivers created a landscape ideal for early agriculture and human development. As a result, the Mesopotamian plains remain a focal point in the ongoing search for Eden's historical location. Subscribe now for more video. The Persian Gulf theory offers a fascinating perspective on the possible location of the Garden of Eden. According to this idea, the garden may have once existed on a fertile plain that is now submerged beneath the waters of the Persian Gulf. Proponents suggest that this area was inundated following the Great Flood, effectively hiding any traces of the ancient paradise. Geological studies indicate that the region was indeed above sea level thousands of years ago, supporting the possibility of a lush, habitable landscape. This theory invites us to reconsider traditional assumptions and explore how dramatic changes in Earth's geography could have shaped ancient narratives. Attention now turns to Dilmun, an ancient land closely linked with present-day Bahrain. In Mesopotamian mythology, Dilmun was celebrated as a place of purity and abundance, often described as a paradise where sickness and death were unknown. This idyllic portrayal has led some scholars to draw parallels between Dilmun and the biblical Eden. Archaeological discoveries in Bahrain have revealed evidence of a thriving civilization, further fueling speculation about Dilmun's historical and mythological significance. The enduring legends surrounding this land continue to inspire debate about its true identity and its possible role as humanity's earliest paradise. The Armenian highlands present a compelling candidate for historical significance, marked by their rugged terrain and dramatic landscapes. This region is home to Mount Ararat, a towering peak that has captured imaginations for centuries. Many traditions identify Mount Ararat as the resting place of Noah's Ark, linking the area to ancient narratives of survival and renewal. The highlands are also the source of several major rivers which have supported civilizations throughout history. These geographical features have made the Armenian highlands a crossroads for cultures and a focal point in various legends and historical accounts. Recent satellite imagery has identified a region near the Ararat Range as the source of 4 significant rivers. This discovery closely mirrors the ancient biblical account of Eden, which describes a land where 4 rivers originate and flow outward. The alignment between these geographical features and the scriptural narrative has sparked renewed interest among historians and researchers. By analyzing the terrain from above, scientists are able to trace the courses of these rivers back to a common area. This intersection of modern technology and ancient text offers intriguing insights into the possible real-world locations behind legendary stories. The African theory suggests that the biblical Garden of Eden may have been located in East Africa. This idea is rooted in scientific findings that identify East Africa as the cradle of humanity, where the earliest known human ancestors originated. Fossil evidence and genetic studies both point to this region as the birthplace of modern humans. Proponents of the theory argue that the lush landscapes and abundant resources of ancient East Africa could align with descriptions of Eden. By connecting religious narratives with archaeological discoveries, the African theory offers a compelling perspective on humanity's origins. The narrative draws to a close by focusing on the Gihon and the Nile. In the Bible, the Gihon is described as the river that flows around the land of Cush, a region historically associated with parts of modern-day Ethiopia and Sudan. This connection has led many scholars to identify the Gihon with the Nile, Africa's longest river. The Nile's journey through these territories aligns with ancient descriptions, reinforcing the link between the biblical text and the geography of northeastern Africa. By tracing these rivers, the narrative highlights the enduring interplay between scripture, history, and the landscapes that have shaped civilizations. Subscribe my channel and turn bell to follow more video. Thank you.